Here we have our power supply. When I turn it on with the switch, we can read on the multimeter that the voltage is running 48.9 volts, which is well within the specification. On our tether itself, we have our Anderson connector. If I show the fuse here, it's a 25 amp fuse. And if I grab a tape measure, we can see that this is definitely much less than 30 centimeters from the Anderson connector. Here we have our battle station, as we call it, with our laptop. You can see that all of our 120 volt AC lines are clearly marked, the entire length of all of those cables. And then that goes all the way to our extension cord, which is going to the wall over there. The ROV has all of its power conversion internal to it. So once we have our plug with our tether, the power runs all the way through the entire length of the tether, all the way to the ROV, and power conversion is performed within that central tube. This year the ROV is using a pressurized air pneumatic system. Here we have our pressure indicator and our relief here. And then we have the tubing that goes all the way through and into the tether. And from the tether, it goes to the ROV itself, into our enclosure. Should this enclosure become pressurized, which it should not, we do have a pressure relief on the bottom here, right there. There are no other pressure storage mechanisms present on the ROV. The ROV's tether is strain relieved to this fence present at the pool. And the strain relief goes through the core of that tether. It's a paracord all the way down the entire length of the tether where it connects to the frame. If we pull on the tether, we can see that the paracord is the shortest line so that it is properly strain relieved. Here are all 6 sides of the ROV. You can see that there are shrouds protecting the thrusters here. You'll be able to see that there are shrouds on the other side in just a moment. Actually, you can see them, the yellow part right in there and there. Those are on all the thrusters. Go ahead and rotate. So on this side, we have all sharp parts covered up by duct tape so that no one can hurt themselves. And again, shrouds.
Yeah.
On all the thrusters. Go ahead and rotate again. Here in the back, again, shrouds on all the thrusters. No sharp edges. Go ahead and rotate. Again, shrouds on all of those. All sharp edges are covered. All right, the bottom. Here's the bottom of the robot. Again, you can see all those shrouds on the thrusters. There are no sharp edges present. Okay, flip to the top. And here's the top of the robot. One last look at those shrouds. Oh, those nicely covered sharp edges. Awesome. 2,594 grams or 2.59 kilograms.